You can use the library search to find scholarly materials like articles, conference presentations, ebooks, and more. But there's another tool called Publication Finder you can use if you want to look for specific publications like books and journals, or locate a certain book or journal based on criteria like title, author, or subject. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the full text journals link below the search bar. Alternatively, you can visit the library catalog by performing a search or just using the library catalog link at the top of the page. Then, from the catalog, just navigate to Publication Finder on the left-hand side. You're now in the Publication Finder interface, which functions much like the normal library search, but with the important limitation that it only searches for books, journals, as well as magazines and streaming media. Publication Finder is not suitable for more granular searching, like locating individual articles from peer-reviewed journals. If you need that type of material for your research, we recommend using the normal library search. Most people start using Publication Finder by just typing in a few keywords related to the title of the publication they're looking for. But you can use the drop-down menu to select other fields such as author, subject, or even all fields. You can use the other drop-down to refine your search with additional operators as well. Finally, make sure the third drop-down reflects the nature of the content you're looking for. For example, if you're trying to find a book, make sure it is on books only or all. Click the magnifying glass or press enter to perform your search. For example, I'm trying to find a journal called, I don't exactly remember. Something about pediatric endocrinology? I'm not really sure. But I'll make sure the first dropdown is set to title, the next to contains, and the third to journals only. Then I'll type pediatric endocrinology. The system suggests a few titles, but I just want to perform a search, so I'll press enter or click the magnifying glass. The results screen shows 5 journals, and each of them contains the words pediatric endocrinology in their title. If I scroll down, I see the one I'm looking for, Journal of Clinical Research in Pediatric Endocrinology. And I can use any of the links below to view any of the issues the library currently has access to. You can use this same process to find books and journals, as well as magazines and streaming videos that you need for your research. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.